Hello guys, welcome to my channel, the Fibo Trader. So in last video, we have seen that uh, Fibonacci has the golden ratios which exist in nature and it follows. So in this video, we are going to see how to trade with the Fibonacci and how we can analyze the swing high and swing low based on the 3MA cross and Heikin-Ashi. Also, whenever the market moves, it will not move in one direction continuously. It has to retrace. Okay, and when it retraces, it makes a pattern. Okay, so we are going to see what pattern it's creating when it does the retracement, and also we are going to see when to take the trade and what would be our exit point, and also we are going to see the risk reward ratio. Okay, so we have to maintain our risk reward ratio, otherwise there is no use. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so here we can see that this is not the Heikin-Ashi, the normal candles only. Okay, so I'm just going to convert into Heikin-Ashi. Okay, so here you can see that now it looks better where is the swing high and swing low. Also we are going to draw the 3MA cross. So just if you type here 3MA cross, moving average cross. Okay, so by default it will give you the three lines, so we are going to modify these lines. Okay, so here first we are going to use the 9 EMA, then 13 EMA, and again 26 EMA. So we are set now. Okay, so we need to check the history. Okay, how it flows and what are the patterns it follows. Okay, so I'm just going to start from the 1st December. Okay, here you can see. Okay, so you can see that when the market opened, it made a bullish candle. Okay, and it moved up. Okay, so I'm just going to place the Fibonacci. Okay, you can see that when I place the Fibonacci, it's showing that this is the 61 level where the market normally, take this support in bullish. Okay, so you can see that market moved up and slowly it came to this 61 level and from there it retraced. Okay, so if you see the entry and exit point, so when it made the pattern and when it is bouncing back and made the uh, bullish candles, okay, first it will go up, then it retraces, then again when it is making the candle, we can enter here, okay, on this candle, and only this much just below, just give some buffer, okay, 15 to 20 points. Okay, and here we can enter. Okay, okay, here we can make the entry. Okay, and till our if you when we draw the pattern, okay, the swing high and swing low, so market when it bounces back, it will try to touch the 100 level, 138 level, and maximum it will try to touch the 161 level. So most of the times if doesn't have any swing high in previous day, of course it will go to the 161 level, but not necessarily it will go on the same day. Okay, so here you can see that this is at 61 level it when it came here, and it again it broken the channel here. If you see, this is a channel. Okay, if you see, this is a channel, so it made the channel and came to 61 level, and again it went up, retraced, and again it went up. So it's showing that now it is turned to bullish now. If it was supposed to go down, then it will make the pattern the same way. It will go to the 61 level, then again it will retrace and they will go down. But here it is making the bullish, and on 61 level it retraced. So first minus 130, 138 would be our first target. Okay, again we will see where it is making the pattern and accordingly we will plan. Okay, so This is our entry point. Even if I convert into the candle, you can see here. So it made the pattern is broken. Again it went slightly up, retraced, and here it bombed. So this is our entry point. Okay. So you can see here, this is the entry point and maximum SL is around 200 points. Maximum is 197 points. And if you see the 138, it's around 860 points. So it's more than 3 to 4 times, you know, the risk reward ratio that we got here. So this is the main concern. When Fibonacci retraces, then it shows you till which point it will retrace, and when it is bouncing back, then till which point it can go up. So you can see that it bounced here, then again it came down, then again it bounced, it went up, then again it came here. So again, if I draw the Fibonacci, so for us, even if I convert to Heikin-Ashi, you can see that this is our main, now this is our latest swing high. Sorry, let me put here. This is our latest swing high and this is our swing low. So as of now, this is our swing high, swing low. So again, you can see that the market came down. It retraced between 61 and 50 level. Okay, and again it bounced back. Okay, and you can see that when again it bounced back on next day, it went to around 138, 161 level. Okay, so most of the traders makes the mistakes, like when they see this it is making a downfall and bearish candle, they short here, but that's not the case. We should understand if it is a market is bullish, then where it can take this support, and when it bounces back and makes the bullish candle, we have to enter again. Okay, so this is, yeah, so this is how it works. Again, you might have observed one thing, when we can see that it is going to turn down or when it is going to bounce again. Okay, so as I told you that when the market moves up and down, it retraces. So when it retraces, it makes the pattern. Okay, so here you can see that it is making a base pattern. Okay, so here if you see, this is the swing high and swing low, it retraced at 61 level. Okay, again this is a swing high and this is a swing low. So if you see, okay, this is a swing high and swing low. So again if you see the next day, perfectly it retraced at 61 level and again it bounced back. Okay, so this was the first 61 level, again here is the 61 level. Now you can see that slowly the retracement is coming, retracement is less now. Again if you see the area, if you see here how wide it was, then again it shrinked. Now third time it is shrinking again. Okay, so now if you see in that, here it was a 61 level, it bounced back and hardly it went to the 100 level. Okay, and then it came down, and if you see, it's a pattern. Okay, so here it is the very narrow. Okay, so the third time it is not success, and this time it will retrace something, and again it either it will continue the trade or it will go down. Okay, so how we can identify that, also we can check. See, this is the first swing high, swing low, this is the second, and this is the third. When it makes the three patterns, okay, so we can draw the latest. Okay, this is the swing high and this is when it was started, this one. Okay, and also if you can see the EMA cross, 9 EMA cross, 13 and 26 EMA. So the trade started from here, it retraced here, then again here, and finally it's making a double top. Okay, so here it was a very narrow. So you can see that even if the 3 EMA cross, so it is, this is a swing high and this is a swing low, so that we can draw the pattern. And if you see that once it made the three rejection at 361 level, again it retraced. So normally the trader makes the mistake, like they will draw the pattern like this. Okay, that yes, the pattern is broken, we have to go short. But Nothing like that. If you see here, so mostly what it is doing is, let me cut it. What it is doing is, if you draw this swing high and swing low, main swing high and low, then mostly it is taking the support here at 61 level. So after making three patterns, it again it came for the retracement. Okay, so that is the catch actually. So here we have to check till where it is taking the support. Okay, and again once it makes the bullish pattern, bullish candles, then we can enter again. Okay, now we know that this is the 61 level where it has taken the support. So after making this bullish candle, we can enter here, and this could be our SL. Okay, and like that we can go on. So that is how the market moves and makes the pattern. Okay, so even if you see this is the main swing and swing low, I'm drawing here. Okay, see what happens. It made the narrow here, it bounced back again, and if we see after bouncing back, it went to again till 161. It tried to touch 161 level. Okay, again it made the new pattern. Okay, so here again you can see this is also a pattern, swing, last swing high and swing low. Okay, next day market already went up, and it went to till 138. Even it broken 138 and tried to touch 161. So always remember, whenever it touches the 161 level and 138, then it will try to retrace again and try to come down. Okay, so yeah, even if you see this main pattern, okay, so this was the main pattern, and it went over till 161. Okay, so it makes our life easy if you draw the Heikin like till where it can be retraced. Okay, so here you can see that on the 5th it went up, down. Okay, so here it retraced at 61 level, but it it break out, it break down actually. So it didn't bounced back from here. In this case, it was bounced from here because there was not any man pattern which has broken out here in previous. Here you can say that it came down and it retraced to some extent. Okay, 61, but again it came down and again retraced. It didn't try to go up again. So it is making a clear understanding that it is going down now, and even after that it broke down even at the 38 level. And if you see this pattern also, okay, the 3 MA cross, it is already down. Okay, and so that is giving you indication that we can short here. Okay, so if you can short here, this is your uh, SL. So you can keep your SL here, and if you short here, you can get at till here you can get the target. Okay, so even if you see, if I draw the main, this is the last swing high, swing low. Okay, if you see the trend started from here, it retraced and again it bounced back. So for us, this is the swing high and this is the swing low from where the trend started. So even if you draw this pattern, it is showing that the market is at 61 level. So let's see how, what is your risk and reward ratio. So if you are taking the trade here, just above the last swing here, you can keep your SL here, keep some buffer. Okay, you can keep your SL here. Okay, and you can try to take till minimum at least minus 38 and or 161. Okay, that it already given, and it gives a very good risk reward ratio and very good returns when it rejects at the 61 level, either downside or upside. Okay, so if you see, if you enter here, so your risk is around 358 point, but your reward is around more than double, around three times. Your reward is around three times, around 1200 points. Okay, so that is how the Fibonacci works, and it shows you till where you can exit at what point you can make the entry and what point you can exit the trade, because mostly the trader don't know where to enter and what would be the exit point. Okay, so also we can check in the same way. Even if you see here, let me convert into the Heikin, so we will get the clear idea. You see, this is our one trend. See, even if you draw here, this is a 61 level, it's already at 61 level. So that is our trade. Okay. Okay, so next day if you say, again if you draw the pattern, okay, so logically if you see this pattern, it is already broken, okay, but we have to understand till where the market can move, okay. So market came down, okay, on next day it opened up, then again it made a pattern. So always remember, it makes whenever it is going to certain level, also it will go through making a pattern. You can see here, okay, even if you see here, this is, let me draw swing high and swing low. Say market went up, then again it retraced to till 38. Again when it bounced back from here, it broken this channel, again it went up. So even if you make the entry here on this high, okay, you can get a good return. So say for example, this is your swing high swing low till 138 161 is your target. So even if you enter here, you can go till here. So if you see that, you try to make the entry at the first level only, because third is not much success, it will become narrow. Okay, so you can see that first it went up and it retraced and it given a good return, again it retraced and it went up, now here it is a narrow. So if you see, the both the points mostly will be matching, so it is giving the indication that it is going down now, because it is becoming narrow. On top of that, if you draw this line, okay, it's saying that, okay, so mostly it is below the 38 and 61 level. If you click on the main trend, okay, so mostly the market will retrace at the 38 level. Okay, so whenever you see it is retracing as 38 level and it make a downtrend, you can short it here. If you short here, this is your SL, and 161 may be your target. Okay, so see, first time it came to 38 level, and after that it is becoming narrow now. See, it went up, made the three patterns, it went up again. From here it made the three patterns, 1 2 3, and after that it is broken. Okay, and then again it was retracing. Okay, so again for us this is a main trend. Okay, means the second, this is the first, this is the second one. If you see, draw the Fibo, it's showing that it is already above the 61 level. Okay, it means saying that now it is going up now. Okay, yeah, so here you can see that if you take the entry here, so just at 38 level will be your SL, and you can ride till 138 and 161 level. So let's see on the next day what happens. Yeah, you can see. Okay, so on next day it will given more than that. Okay, so this was our main pattern. If you see, if I draw this pattern, okay, say even it went slowly, this was the main trend, then it went to 38, then slowly it exhausted, it made a pattern here. Say it made a pattern and broken, and after that breaking the pattern, it went up. Okay, and slowly it went, try to touch till 6100 level. Okay, yeah, so that is how the market works. So these are the Fibonacci levels, but actually the Fibonacci level are making the patterns actually. Okay. So anywhere, wherever you feel, that where we can trade, just understand the history. Okay, from where the trend is started and where it is going. See here, first trend, second, third, and it broken. If you see, both are broken and it went up. Again, if you see, this is the first, then again second and third, here it is broken. See, it retraced at 61 level. Okay, again it went to 138, it is given. Again, if you draw this pattern, yeah, so again it tried to touch till 0 level. Okay, and again it bounced back. So again, if you draw the pattern here, this is the swing high, swing low. Okay, so it went retraced and finally it broken the 61 level, and once it broken the 61 level, it is given one till 161 level. Yeah, that is what you can see. So these are the bullish patterns that we have seen. Now we'll see some of the bearish patterns. Yeah, here also you can observe that this is the first time that it 61 level it took the rejection and given the very good return. Again it went here and now it is becoming the narrow. So first time when it is breaking out, it gives a very long return. Second time it will be narrow, and third time it will break down or break out. So here you can see, okay, bounced back after 61 level. Again, if you draw this line, so this is the swing high, swing low. Okay, it went till 60, taken rejection at 61 level. Again, it bounced back, and finally, the third time, it's very narrow, and you can see that at this time, at 61 level, it took the rejection. Now it is showing that the market is going down. Yeah. So yeah, so I think first, second, and third. After third, it's again taken one, you know, retest here, and again it bounced back. Yeah, so here also you can see it made a pattern one, two, third, and it bounced back. Okay, so we are going to see some of the patterns that are the downtrend. Okay, so here if you see, if I draw the Fibonacci, so this is our swing high, swing low. Okay, so you can see that here also it went to till 38 level. Okay, and it went down. Okay, and when it taken the rejection at 38 level, again it will give you a till 61. First time it will give you till 61 and 38 level, and it has given a very good return. So the moment it rejects at the 38 level, okay, you can make the entry here, and this is just above, okay, will be your SL. Again it came down given 61 level. Meanwhile it has given one more support and resistance, if you see here. Okay, so again it made the pattern, it came down and it bounced back and exactly taken support at 38 level, and again it came down again, you see 61 level. So once it touches this, makes the uh, three patterns, like one, sorry, one you can see here, two, three. Now the time to change the trade, reverse the trade. So even if you draw the pattern here, see, so exactly the patterns is made, by using the retracement, that is the 38 level. Okay, so these are the 38 levels that made the pattern, and after breaking the pattern, it the trend is reversed. Okay, but if you draw the swing high and swing low of the main pattern from where it is returning, then you can find out till which point it may retrace. Yeah, see. So even if you make the entry, then you should be ready that maximum you can take the return at the 61 level. Okay, and after that again 61 level it retraced. So even if you take the retracement of this swing high and swing low, you'll find it exactly taken the retracement till 3861 level, and again it bounced back. See, so when it came back at 61 level, it bounced back and it touched till 161. Yeah, again like that we can go ahead. Yeah. Here in downtrend you can see first here it made the low. If you exactly see, let me make it bigger. Here you see this is our swing high, swing low, exactly at 38 level. It means it is making a pattern. Okay. Again, if you see and draw the pattern, again it's retracing at 61 level. Okay. Now the final is, see here, 38 level. Okay. Now if you draw the pattern, say 38, 38. Now here the pattern is broken. Okay. So first it is out of the pattern now. So it went up, then it retraced. So the moment you see that it is broken and is coming down, and again it makes the bullish candle, we can go buy here. Okay. We can go buy here, and this would be our SL will be very small. Okay. So basically till where the market can go, that also we can identify drawing the Fibonacci. Okay. So here see it broken, but maximum it is gone to 61 level, means 38 level. But we'll see again what the patterns it's making. Okay, can see. Okay, see what happened here. It went up, broken down. Okay, so if you draw the pattern here, till 161 it is given. Okay, after that again after giving this, it made another swing high, swing low. Again it is making a pattern. Okay, and finally at the third swing high, swing low, it is very narrow. It means it is showing that the market is going to reverse either upside or downside. And you can see how it is going. Again now it is making a pattern. This is the bigger high and low, then second, then third, and fourth time it made a pattern. You can see the pattern very easily. Just by looking at the chart now you can identify the pattern. See, this is the pattern. And last time it was very narrow and broken up. And till where it can go, where you can give your target, that also you can decide. So till 61 you can be in the trade. See, again it's going to make the pattern, and likewise it will keep on going. So that is how the Fibonacci works and makes the pattern. Okay, see here it came down, broken, and again down. If you mark the main swing high, swing low, exactly at 61 level. So it gives you the perfect entry and exit using the Fibonacci. Okay, even if you see at the broader level, means see the main swing 61 level, then third time. Okay, again it is narrow. Now this is called the base pattern. Okay, and finally it was shrink and broke down, broke out. See, base pattern and swing low, means again it break down. Yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and you got some clarity how Fibonacci works and how much accuracy it is giving. So it gives us a very high accuracy, and it gives a very very good risk and reward ratio. So even if you see in none of the cases our SL is hitted, if you say, but even if you mind it, even if you are taking the 100 trades, say for example, and 50% of the trade is success, also you will be a profitable. Okay, but you have to take your risk reward should be 1 is to 2. So here you are saying that we are not only taking the 1 is to 2, many times it is happening 1 is to 3, and risk reward is very good. So if you keep on applying this, I would recommend go test it, do the back test, and then you try to enter into the real trade, and don't keep your capital while trading all the money at a time. First test with the small amount, and if you are confident, you can put your the money, and then you can start trading and make the profitable. But I can assure you that this is a very good tool, that Fibonacci, and it works very accurately. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay guys, so subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos. So next video I'm going to make, like when the market opens, where whether we should take the trade or not, and if we are going to take the trade, what should be our target and SL. So thank you guys.